Hey, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be cleaning the rubber of the tire with an all-purpose cleaner using the Michelin Tire Brush to see if we can remove embedded dirt and prep the tire, so we can do another test with two tire dressings, one budget from Aldi and one premium one from Zonax. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. So I put 1 cup of this tire dresser and put, tire dresser, verdammt, all-purpose cleaner, and mixed it with this one. And now we're going to spray it on the tire, let it sit for maybe a minute, and then agitate it further with the Michelin Tire Brush. Michelin Tire Brush has quite strong, hard hairs, which are ideal for agitating the embedded dirt in these rubber tires, and it has a solid grip, so it's quite easy to operate and to get these tires very clean, so the tire dressing will last longer. And here you can really see that all-purpose cleaner starting to work. The brown appears, and that's credit to the Michelin Tire Brush. Sehr schmutzig. As you can see, you don't need expensive tire foam. You can just do this with an all-purpose cleaner and a good brush like the Michelin Tire Brush, and then you have the exact same result. When you select an all-purpose cleaner, make sure you get one that's not acidic or has a lot of warnings on the back, and then it should be fine to put on tires and on any surface. Look at that. Despite the stupid inflation, you don't need to buy overpriced, extremely expensive products. You can just do this with a decent, cheap all-purpose cleaner, a good tire brush, and you can get that showroom shine on your tires. I'm very impressed. I didn't know that with an all-purpose cleaner you would get the same browning and the same foaming result. I thought you would need expensive products. It's nice to see that you can do things yourself and a bit cheaper. Let's see what the final result will look like after the ride. So, yeah! Make sure you clean everything off. And this is the result of the all-purpose cleaner, the cheap all-purpose cleaner with the Michelin Tire Brush. 4-year-old tires. Here's the Michelin man. Gucci. Perfect letters visible. Tires are very clean. Also, the rims were very well cleaned with that all-purpose cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner from the supermarket for a few euros. Michelin Tire Brush, I think under 10 euros on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And now your tires are super clean and perfectly conditioned for tire dressing, which I'll show you later.